Hello students, I welcome you all to this lecture which is based on the arbitrage process using futures. So in this video we are going to understand that how the futures, the derivatives can be used for having the arbitrage profit, how an arbitrager can make a profit by doing certain by having certain strategies, by preparing certain strategies, by doing certain transactions, and he can actually earn some profit which will be called as arbitrage profit. So this is the first lecture on the arbitrage process using futures. So let's start it.
So the arbitrage process using futures. The basic meaning of arbitrage is that whenever there is a deviation, there is a difference in price in the maybe the actual price or the theoretical price, or whenever there are deviations between the price of same asset in two different markets, there exists an opportunity for arbitrage. So that arbitrage, how that arbitrage process can be done by using futures, this is what we are going to understand by this. So as mentioned over here is that as soon as the actual price of futures deviates from the theoretical price. Now what is theoretical price? The price which is calculated using the cost of carry model. It will lead to a process of arbitrage. Means there is an opportunity for arbitrage. There exists an opportunity for arbitrage. Now how this thing is there, I am again repeating, as soon as the actual price for futures deviates from the theoretical price calculated using the cost of carry model, it will lead to the process of arbitrage. Now what does it mean? There are two prices for that futures contract. One is the actual price at which that contract is being traded in the market, and second is the price which you calculate by using the fundamentals of cost of carry model, by using the formula given by cost of carry model. So इन दोनों prices के बीच में जब भी difference होता है, deviation होता है कम ज़्यादा, there will be an opportunity for arbitrage. Means arbitrager के लिए वहाँ पे profit earn करने की एक opportunity exist करती है. Now when we are saying that there are deviation, दो चीज़ों के बीच में deviation है, दो चीज़ों के बीच में difference है, that means either A is greater than B or B is greater than A. ये दो ही चीज़ें होंगी, या तो A B से बड़ा होगा या A B से छोटा होगा. So in all these two cases, यहाँ पे दो केस बनते हैं. One is when the actual price for futures is more than the theoretical price, and second when the actual price for futures is less than the theoretical price. Means when actual price is greater than the theoretical price, and second when actual price is less than the theoretical price. You can say it like this: when theoretical price is less than the actual price, or when theoretical price is greater than the actual price. So these are the two cases. Now in case of first condition, first condition in the sense when actual price for futures is more than the theoretical price, जब actual price for that futures contract ज़्यादा हो theoretical price से, in short when actual price is greater than theoretical price. In such condition, इस केस में arbitrage कैसे होगा, arbitrage opportunity कैसे होगी? So there are two steps, two things you can do. First thing, on the same day, on a single day, you should do that you should sell futures at the actual price. You should sell futures at the actual price. That means you should take the short position in the contract. So you should sell futures at the actual price. And the second thing, on the same day you should do, buy shares at the spot price equal to the quantity for which futures sold. Means at the same time you should buy number of shares equal to the number of shares for which you have sold the futures. When you sell these futures, जब आप ये futures बेचोगे तो there is a lot size. So let's suppose आपने 1000 shares का futures contract बेचा at the actual price. So at the same time you should buy 1000 shares of that particular company at the spot price, whatever the market price on that day for that particular share for which the future is sold. So these are the two steps which you should follow when actual price is greater than theoretical price. Now the case 2 is there. When the actual price for futures is less than the theoretical price, जब actual price for that futures कम हो, less than हो theoretical price से, means when actual price is less than the theoretical price. So in such case, first thing is buy futures at the actual price. So it is just opposite to that. Over here you have written sell futures, futures बेच दो, और यहाँ आपने mention किया है buy futures at the actual price. And second, opposite, over there you said buy shares, over here you are saying sell shares. So sell shares owned by the arbitrator. Over here it is being assumed that arbitrator is owning, he has the holding of certain number of shares. Suppose futures जो उन्होंने sell किया, buy किया, buy futures in the sense he has taken the long position. So जितनी क्वांटिटी का फ्यूचर्स बाय किया, लेट सपोज 1000 क्वांटिटी, 1000 की लॉट साइज का फ्यूचर्स बाय किया, सो इट इज अज्यूम दैट ही ओन 1000 शेयर्स ऑफ दैट कंपनी, उनके पास में 1000 शेयर्स उस कंपनी के ऑलरेडी है, सो ही शुड सेल दोज शेयर्स, दोज 1000 शेयर्स ऑफ दैट कंपनी एंड इन्वेस्ट द अमाउंट एट रिस्क फ्री रेट. व्हाट डज इट मीन? जो सेकेंड लाइन लिखी हुई है, दैट इन्वेस्ट द अमाउंट एट रिस्क फ्री रेट मीन्स व्हेन ही sell 1000 shares, he must receive the amount equal to 1000 shares multiplied whatever the price of those shares. So this total amount, whatever he received by selling those shares, he should invest that total amount at risk free rate in the bank. So this is the example. So the example says that the spot price of a share is rupees 1000 per share. So the spot price of a share is 1000 rupees per share. A 3 months futures is being traded at a price of rupees 1040 per share. I am again repeating, there is a share, the spot price for that share is 1000 rupees per share. A 3 months futures is being traded at a price of rupees 1040 rupees per share. If risk-free rate is 12% per annum with continuous compounding, then show how the actual price generates arbitrage profit. So the question is that they have given the spot price of the share. No issues. So the spot price of a share of that share is 1000 and futures contract with a duration of 3 months on that particular share is traded at 1040 per share, rupees 1040 per share. Risk free rate is 12%, let us assume, and we need to show that how the actual price generates arbitrage profit. So first thing you will do is कि पहले तो सर theoretical price निकालेंगे और थियोरेटिकल प्राइस निकालने के बाद में उसको कंपेयर करेंगे एक्चुअल प्राइस से और फिर चेक करेंगे कि ये कौन सा केस है, केस 1 है या केस 2 है. तो आई एम जस्ट राइटिंग दी स्टेप्स. सो इन दिस केस फर्स्ट थिंग व्हाट विल डू इज फाइंड द थियोरेटिकल प्राइस यूजिंग द फॉर्मूला F is equal to S into E base to the power RT, which is the fundamental concept of cost of carry model. Then second, compare the theoretical price and actual price, which is rupees 1040 per share. And third, use the suitable conditions for arbitrage profit. So the first thing we need to do is calculate theoretical price using F is equal to S into E base to the power R, RT. Now this the S is, which is the spot price, which is 1000 rupees per share. R is given as 12% or 0.12, and the time duration is 3, which becomes 3 by 12 years. So I'll just put these values over there. So F is equal to 1000 multiplied by E base to the power 0.12 into 1 by 4, which is 0.25. So the value for this E base to the power 0.12 into 0.25 comes out to be approximately 1.0304, and we will multiply it by 1000, which will give us F is equal to 1030.45 approximately. So first thing is done. अब आगे चलते हैं. So what all we have decided? We have decided that first we will find the theoretical price, which we have done. Now we will compare and will come to know that the actual price, second thing we need to compare. So actual price is 1040 and the theoretical price is 1030.45. So when we compare, we come to know that actual price is greater than theoretical price. Just writing the conditions again. So what we'll do, first thing we'll do is we'll sell futures at the actual price, and second thing what we'll do is we will buy shares at spot price, which is equal to the quantity. The quantity should be same. The quantity should be equal for which you have sold the futures. So let's do it. So I am writing it like sell futures. Let's suppose the lot size is 100, which is assumed quantity. Assumed quantity is 100 shares at 1040 per share, rupees 1040 per share. First thing you should do today. And second thing, buy 100 shares at 1000 rupees per share so for which borrow amount 100 multiplied by 1000 is equal to 1 lakh rupees at 12% per annum. Is it clear to everyone? No problem. Let's see what will happen on value date. On value date means at the time of settlement, which is after 3 months. After 3 months. Yes, the first thing. So first thing what we'll do is that honor the contract by giving delivery of 100 shares and receive amount equal to 100 multiplied by 1040. So the total amount is rupees 1,04,000. Any problem in this? Okay. Now second thing, repay the loan 1 lakh ka. So repay the loan amount with interest, which can be calculated as 1 lakh multiplied by e base to the power 0.25 into 0.12. So 1,03,040 approximately. 1,03,040, right? Third thing, arbitrage profit. So arbitrage profit will be, he has received the amount of 1,04,000, out of which he has repaid the loan taken by him, which is 1,03,040. So the balance is 960. So this is how we have done with one numerical example related to arbitrage process using futures as a derivative, as an instrument. I hope you have understood it. In the coming lectures we'll be taking some more examples and understanding this further. Okay, thank you so much.